Hello everyone, I am Prashant Patil, Assistant Professor in Mathematics from Right Shikshan Sanstha's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Mokhada, District Palghar. Today we are going to discuss about the fourth paper of third year BSc Mathematics and from the semester 5, that is numerical analysis. Now numerical analysis is nothing but the area of mathematics and computer science that creates, analyzes, and implements algorithms for solving numerically the problems that comes from real world application of algebra, geometry, and calculus. So, the overall goal of the field of numerical analysis is nothing but the design and analysis of techniques to give approximate but the accurate solution to hard problems. So the this paper numerical analysis is very important, and it is nothing but the applied mathematics subject. So it is really very important for the students point of view. So let's discuss more about this paper. So we are going to have the first unit in this numerical analysis paper is nothing but the transcendental and polynomial equation. We are going to have some concept that it contains uh, concept of simple roots and multiple roots, iterative methods, iteration methods based on first degree equation. Some iteration methods we are going to study, that is Newton-Raphson method, secant method, regula-Folsom method, and iteration methods. So first of all, we are going to discuss about concept of simple and multiple root. So first of all, introduction. A problem that always has importance in every branch of science, applied mathematics, and engineering is nothing but to determine, or you can say find, the root. The other word is root for the that is zeros of the equation of the form f of x equal to 0. Okay, so a polynomial equation of the form f of x equal to pnx is equal to n x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus dot up to a1x plus a0 is equal to 0 is called algebraic equation. See here, as we have discussed earlier, that the problem that always has an importance, yeah, in every branch of science and applied mathematics, and you can say engineering, yeah, is nothing but what it is, f of x equal to 0. That f of x, if f of x, that equation, we have two types of equation. First is this algebraic equation, and another one is, and that is the transcendental equation. So, algebraic equation means what? The equation of the form this p n x, that is nothing but a n x to the power n plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 and so on. So over here, if you observe that a n minus 1 are the real numbers, and x and those variables are only the x power of x. Okay, so these kind of equations are called as algebraic equations. Next, an equation which contains polynomial exponential functions, logarithmic functions, trigonometric function, etc. is called as a transcendental equation. Means what? That equation, say f of x equal to, it contains a polynomial that is the power of x, then some exponential function that is e to the power x and e to the power 2x and so on, logarithmic function that is log, right, and then trigonometric function that is sine function, cos function and so on. Yeah, if that equation contains all these functions, then it is said to be the transcendental equation. Yeah, now I'll give you the examples of those equations. Say this is 3x x to the power 3 minus 2x square minus x minus 5 equal to 0. Or you can say x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 are, these are nothing but the algebraic equations. Yeah. Okay, and some more examples, say x e to the power x 2x minus 1 equal to 0, cos x minus x into e to the power x equal to 0, tan x equal to x. Yeah, these are uh, that is transcendental equation because it contains polynomial as well as exponential functions as well as trigonometric functions, right? So uh, in the next lecture, we are going to discuss more about the basic terminologies to locate the roots. So, up to this, uh, we will stop over here. Thank you. Thank you very much.